Hi everyone, I'm a local entrepreneur. I want to give a shout out to backers. Backers are those people that give money to local entrepreneurs for new businesses. They don't expect much, they don't invent anything, they don't serve a special purpose in the company, but what they do is provide money for innovation. And we need to create something for them, which is what we did. We have a t-shirt, a backers t-shirt, that will show the appreciation of all backers in this country and all over the world, women and men. We want to say thank you for backing innovation. Backers t-shirt coming soon to you.